Ito na po si Gian. Subong, lapit na lang kami sa balay ni Gian.
Yes!
Hi, Gian! Woo! A day in our life as a grade 11 student.
Makagto sa City
City Mall.
Mall. Pabada-bada.
Yes! Ako nga pala si Denver. At ako nga pala si Gigi. At kami ngayon ang Tagolista.
We are the English.
Halata.
I'm Lorraine.
I'm Gian.
Yes.
So, malapit na po kami sa City Mall.
Tagalog ka. My God.
Malapit na nga eh.
Okay, okay. I'm sorry.
Ito kami sa S! Shut up with S! Baka naman.
So, hi guys. So, my favorite, round of cake is purple yam. Gusto nyo? Ay, hello. God, I forgot. English pala, halata. Hi! Hi to my vlog.
Hello po. Kamusta po kayo?
We're on the way to City Mall. Just wait for us, City Mall.
Sa Mata.
Kita.
Ayun. Masarap. We're going to Tatawin na po kami sa City Mall. Ito pa. Ano na hindi ito?
Hi guys, I have a joke. Why do chicken cross the road?
Because! Oh my God! Papasok na kami sa City Mall.
Nandito na po kami sa City Mall.
Yeah, we're now here at City Mall.
Then, can you shout?
Karoon na. Mamaya lang. Nandito na kami sa City Mall! Lapi kami. So guys, we're now going to buy an ice cream. Denver, how do you feel? Saying something. Mangihi ako.
Hi guys!
Talaga pangihi ka? Oo, mga picture. Sorry, sino? So
Hi,
guys,
guys.
sabay na
Oh my
kami
God,
sa CR. Kasi pakita ko sa inyo.
We have a guest. We have a guest here.
Gaya-gaya talaga yung kayo sa amin.
But Team Jessica so.
Sunod today sa mail guys. Papahingi na ako. Papunta na ako sa may female. Pasok na ako.
Now she's entering the bathroom.
We have property.
We're inside
The CR.
And this is our guest. Guest speaker. Just kidding.
So, Gigi is my boss.
Gigi, put some bulbos on my cheeks naman, oh. Wait a minute. What is it? What is it?
Tapos akong Now guys, we were going to buy ice cream. Guest speaker. Pexi Dust. Liad ako. Kami nang bibili ng ice cream. Sarap. Gigi, Gigi's done. Waiting for Gigi to come out in the comfort room. Check a bell. Ver is talking to strangers. Look guys. He's here. Nandito na siya po. Yes. So cute, Denver. Yes. Gigi, say hi. Hello po. The way to buy ice cream.
What did you say?
Gian is gonna libre us.
Shout out to Momness for sponsoring our ice cream for today.
Yes po.
Thank you,
Momness.
Momness.
Pabili po. On apat na tapulo. Wala tapulo. Ano ka?
15 lang po.
Hindi lang ka na.
Apat po.
Apat. 4.
Okay, we are 4.
4.
For ice cream. What kind of ice cream?
Beer cone.
Bear cone. Yes, we're the cake I want. Because we're the sweet.
So guys, we have here
Thank you. This is for dinner. What do you say?
Manes. Ma'am Ness, so pretty. Thank you so much. O, baka sa akin. Salamat. First,
Now it's Denver. Faster. So what are you gonna say to
maraming salamat, Ma'am Nessa.
thank you?
Game chance, paunahan ng ubos.
Denver. Isa lang uwi. Denver winner lang. Denver winner. Pero no, hindi na kumain. You still have a phone, you need to finish that over. You were saying that you are the winner?
No.
That's very yummy. Masarap siya. First good 7 minutes na ako. Nalalawa na. Ang lamig yan. Guys, what is the English of sigaw? Sigaw. What is the English of dog? Aso? Oh. Uy, pati ko. Maraming lang.
Sabi winner ang video niya ko diyo. The winner is Denver. Mga paguli, ito ang balik.
Pauwi na po kami.
Pauwi na ako.
Bye, Supermart. Supermart.
Bye-bye. Bye, Ma'am. Bye-bye, Ma'am.
Bye, Ma'am Donalyn.